Hi, welcome to Jennifer APM online training video. In this part 1 video, we will explain Jennifer's metrics. The term metric, which indicates a particular measurement value, is generally used in the monitoring sector. This term is also used with a similar meaning in Jennifer. Jennifer defines the values statistics measured at regular intervals with the term metric. When we use real-time screens in dashboard or user-defined dashboard to monitor our apps, we always see charts and components that provide users with specific information. Whether it's system-related or process-related information, etc. Jennifer collected metrics and provided them in the charts to provide such information. So, let's find out what kind of metrics Jennifer collects. As we mentioned before, the Jennifer collected metrics. Each metric tells users about information they need while monitoring their applications and can use the information that they get to boost the application performance. The first metric that we are going to talk about is the active service metric. The active service metric indicates the number of active services at the moment of the collection. In other words, the number of transactions in operation. The metric data is provided on the speed bar chart, speed meter chart, active service equalizer chart, and active service real-time line chart. Those charts can be found on the dashboard screens such as the System Admin Resource, System Admin PHP Only, Multi-Domain, Batch Job, Front Integrated Dashboard, DB-SQL, DB Connection, and Business. The active service metric can also be chosen as the metric data selected in the user-defined dashboard screen. The second metric is the transaction per second or TPS metric. TPS indicates the number of transactions processed per second. The term service rate can also be used instead. The TPS calculation is based on the time at which the request is finally processed. The metric data is provided on the TPS metric on the speed bar chart, speed meter chart, TPS real-time line chart, and today's TPS 24-hour area line chart. Those charts can be found on the dashboard screens such as the System Admin Resource, System Admin PHP Only, Multi-Domain, Batch Job, Front Integrated Dashboard, Users, DB-SQL, DB Connection, and Business. The TPS metric can also be chosen as the metric data selected in the user-defined dashboard screen. The third metric is the response time metric. Response time indicates the time taken to process an application or SQL or external call, depending on the collection unit. The metric data is provided on the XView chart and the response time real-time line chart. The response time from each transaction can be checked in the XView pop-up window. The XView pop-up will be launched when we drag the Xscatter on the XView chart. The response time real-time line chart can be found on the dashboard screens such as the System Admin PHP Only, Front Integrated Dashboard, and Business. The response time metric can also be chosen as the metric data selected in the user-defined dashboard screen. We will continue the explanation for the other metrics in the next part. Don't forget to keep a reminder about our upcoming videos. Thanks for learning with us. See you.